There was a time when working from home was just a pipe dream, but recently, there has been a surge of jobs you can do from your own place. Whether that's working remotely for a company or starting your own business, there's no shortage of work from home opportunities. Here are 10 options, many of which can generate annual earnings that equate to more than the average government worker's salary. But before we get into all that, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe, so you don't miss out on awesome financial videos like this. With that out of the way, let's begin. 1. Freelance writer. This is a great opportunity for people who are good with words or individuals who enjoy writing. More than ever, writers are needed to formulate news articles, create content, and come up with creative ideas that fill the pages of nearly every site on the internet. And although many bigger sites have in-house writers, a growing number of sites outsource their content and hire freelance writers and content creators. A good writing experience can be very helpful, but what you really need to get started are drive, ambition, and the ability to find a unique angle on events that happen every day. Sites like Upwork.com list all live freelancing positions, so does Freelancer.com and Media Bistro. To get hired, you likely need to have a portfolio of solid work, or at least some writing samples you can include with your resume. While writing fees vary depending on the job and the freelancer, many writers earn at least $150 per article, and some earn up to $1,500 per finished piece. The BLS notes that writers earned a median wage of $62,000 nationally in 2019, although the top 10% of workers earned around $121,000. 2. Medical transcriptionist. Although many medical transcriptionists work for hospitals or physicians' offices, most are able to work at home and at a time or place of their choosing. Since their tasks involve transcribing recorded medical dictation, a computer, desk, and a good earpiece are generally the only main requirements after completing a post-secondary medical transcriptionist program. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics (BLS), medical transcriptionists earned a national median wage of $34,000 in May, the equivalent of $16.72 an hour. Although many medical transcriptionists are self-employed, many find jobs through their local hospital, physician, community college, or vocational school. 3. Call center representative. Many businesses need workers who can answer the phone at all hours, assist customers, and process orders or deal with returns. But since more businesses are operating online, a growing number of these jobs are going to customer service workers who work at home. Operating from home as a call center representative may require specific software or equipment. A great phone voice helps as well, as does any experience in customer service, data entry, retail sales, or management. Dozens of sites list job openings for call center representatives, including Upwork.com and Freelancer.com. However, you may also find listings offered by local businesses in your local newspaper. While it's hard to find exact pay for call center representatives who work at home, the BLS says these workers typically earn a base pay of around $33,000 per year. 4. Virtual assistant. With so many businesses operating mostly or even completely online, it's no wonder that many hire virtual assistants to help keep them organized and complete administrative tasks. According to the International Virtual Assistants Association, these workers are independent contractors who support multiple clients in a variety of industries by providing administrative, creative, and technical services from a remote location, usually their home or office. Although virtual assistant jobs vary drastically, tasks can include composing and responding to emails, creating and distributing business-related documents, responding to media and business inquiries, writing and creating content, and many more. Although the pay may vary, virtual assistants average around $26,000 a year, with the top percentage making $43,000. However, what you will earn depends on who you work for and the level of skill required for daily tasks. 5. Web developer. It's fairly easy to build your own website if you take advantage of the many free learning opportunities online. However, much of the population isn't equipped to build their own site or don't have the time, which is why so many people make a living building websites and blogs for others. According to the BLS, around 16% of web developers were self-employed in 2019, with the vast majority able to work at home or anywhere with a laptop and speedy internet connection. And you typically don't need an advanced degree to begin working in this field. All you need is some post-secondary education, applicable experience, and a portfolio of successful sites you have built and managed. There are even intensive coding bootcamps designed to teach programming skills in just a few short months. 6. Travel agent. Although the demand is expected to decrease over the next decade, the opportunities are still there for travel agents who can harness the internet to earn clients and help them plan their adventures. According to the BLS, job prospects may be best for travel agents who offer expertise in certain regions of the world, have experience planning tours or adventures, or who focus on group travel. Around 11% of travel agents are self-employed, but the vast majority of the rest of them work in the travel arrangement and reservation service industry. Travel agents earn a national median wage of $38,700 in 2019. 7. Graphic design. Many businesses are in need of someone to design their logos, websites, or visual arts. If you have a degree or certification in this area, you can make a comfortable salary annually, reportedly around $45,000 and upwards. The more skilled you are, the more clients you'll likely get through word of mouth. 8. Social media manager. Almost every big business has gotten on the social media bandwagon as a means to reach their customers directly and without paying heavily for television, print, or radio ads. But not every big business has someone to manage their social media accounts, which is why more individuals have begun marketing themselves as social media managers and helping businesses grow their online following and expand their reach. Although very little data is available for this work-at-home job since it's relatively new, thousands of listings for social media managers can be found on sites like careerbuilder.com, simplyhired.com, and upwork.com. If you have a demonstrated command of social media and a sizable following, you might even be able to get started by reaching out to companies directly and asking if they need help. According to Glassdoor, social media managers average about $50,000 a year. 9. Data entry. A wide range of businesses need workers to enter various data into their systems, whether that data are used to track inventory or shipments, create business plans, or measure performance or output. And since a computer and typing skills are the most important requirements for this job, many data entry workers are able to work at home and on a schedule that fit their lives. According to the BLS, data entry workers earned a national median wage of $33,740 in 2019, although the top 10% earned more like $48,000. Since many data entry jobs are at-home jobs, you can always find dozens of data entry job postings on sites like Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and simplyhired.com, as well as dozens of other sites. 10. Blogging. Becoming a blogger is unlike any other work-at-home job, in that you have to show up and build it yourself. Even worse, the vast majority of blogs make $0 for years as they grow and become established. However, there is a lot of potential for writers who are able to build an audience, grow their site, and find a way to monetize it and start earning an income. Some of the ways bloggers make money include affiliate advertising, sponsored posts, Google AdSense, and product sales. The blogging job can be really rewarding, with some bloggers claiming an annual pay of more than $1 million. So here you are, 10 best work from home jobs you can start right now. Which of these work from home jobs will you personally try? Let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to press the like button if you did enjoy the video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our future uploads regarding personal finance, world of business, and investing. Thanks for watching this one. Catch you in the next.